Hi everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. As you may have noticed, I've given myself a bit of a haircut. With Corona lockdown, can't get to the barbers, so I thought this was the quickest way. Anyway, I'm not here for that. Today I've been doing a bit of gardening, cut back some shrubs. I know it's a little bit early, but I'm going to show you how to do some hydrangea cuttings. So the hydrangea in question is Hydrangea Annabelle, which is a nice, fairly new variety to the garden centre world. Only gets about 3 to 4 foot in height, but produces a really big flower head, sort of the size of a small football. Anyway, I'll turn the camera around and show you what we're doing. So these are the cuttings that I took this morning. Basically was cutting back the hydrangea. Wanted to get it a better shape. So ordinarily you'd do softwood cuttings in about June, July time. We're currently mid-April, but I'll show you a couple of different techniques, both of which will work quite easily for hydrangea. So first one, cut it just below the leaf joints, strip off, so your basal cutting, remove your lower leaves, dip into your hormone rooting powder, like so, which is that. End of Dibber, pop it in, cutting done. The soil I'm using is a sandy soil mix. You can use a multi-purpose, but it does require additional moisture to be added to it, so we'll just do a few more. Some people will cut the extra leaves off, but to be honest, as long as you keep the soil on the moist side, it's never really a problem. The reason you do it from the base is that this is where the most amount of natural growth hormone is, so you'll more readily get the cuttings to take. So on these I'm just doing 4 in the pot, so in that way takes up a little bit less space, maintains easier to do watering. So on this type, again we can do a basal cutting, remove those ones, which we could use for additional ones. You're left with your top stem, rooting powder, pop the whole thing in, firm as is. You can see these are starting to wilt a little bit. Ideally you want to do it as early in the morning as possible, when the cuttings themselves or the plant itself is full of water. You'll get much better viability that way, and it's really as easy as that. Yeah, last couple, and then once you've done them, I always try and certainly for a week probably, I tend to put the cuttings in a slightly more shady position. That way they're not going to lose the same amount of moisture as if you got them in a sunny spot. Yeah, still watch your moisture levels though. You want the soil to just remain on the moist side throughout the period. Powder done, clean it off, and that is that. So as always, hope you found the video of some interest, and if you like what you saw, then please subscribe to my channel or just send me a message. Until next time, thanks and bye.